Mustang Freaks, welcome back. We got our brake shields in today, as you can see. They are Ford. They were $41 and that was shipping and all. And this right here is the company that I got them from. They were actually cheaper than eBay. eBay, I probably would have had anywhere between 50 to 60 bucks maybe in a set. So that's why I did a little bit more searching and found these. Like I said, you know, we are on a budget and doing a budget build. And I'm gonna sit you guys down real quick and I'm gonna show you these part numbers. You got a left and you got a right. That's part number for one side. And here's the part number for the other side. Now we are going to fasten these to the car with just some regular button head. These are stainless steel. We got a flat washer on one side and a little lock washer on the other side with a nut. And we're going to use those to attach them to the car. Now, let's get these bad boys installed on the Red Demon. Alright guys, I hope you guys can see. Now we have a hole here, and we got one back here. Like I said, these are left and rights. All you have to do is when you get them, just stick them up there and see which side mates up. And as you can see, there we go. We got these right here in, and they're in really good shape, not damaged. The seller was quick on his shipping. And I had a set that already come with these spindles, and I painted them black, but I actually had to straighten them out because of course the spindles come off of a wrecked Mustang, so I had to end up straightening them out a little bit, and I didn't really like the way they looked after I straightened them out, so that's why I opted out to get these new ones. I mean, just a couple dollars more. We done got the front end looking real good, so I hate to mess up the way it looks just over some brake shields. Alright, now we're on the passenger side. Like I said, we're still waiting on the rotors to come in for the Cobra calipers that we got. They should be here Tuesday. So once they get in, we could actually get the front buttoned up as far as brake components go. And we still need to do some searching and find and basically just figure out what we want to do about the rear end. On as far as clutches, you know, what I want to run. I would really like to have some carbon fiber clutches. That would be awesome. But like I said, this is a budget build, so we are going to try to do everything on a budget if we can. I'd really like to have a set just for the simple fact that I know it'll be durable, because I don't want to have to do this again for a long time. Hopefully I won't never have to do it again, but you know, you never know. But if I get a set of Ford Racing, that would be just as fine. I just want to make sure I get a new set of clutches installed in the car, because I like to be able to do everything that I possibly can right now while I'm doing all this work to the car. One more to stick in here and then we can tighten them up. So all you want to do now is just go around and tighten your bolts up, or if you got rivets, you rivet these bad boys on. It won't take quite as long as this is taking, but I just like the option, or having the option I should say, to be able to take these things off when I wish, and don't really have to break out no power tools to do it. One more, and then that will be it. And that's it, guys. Simple as that. All right. 94 to 04 brake shields installed. And another item checked off the list. Now I know this wasn't no high level installation tonight, guys, but nonetheless, it's another part installed on the Red Demon. Now these are the same for the Coupes, the GTs, the Mach 1s, and the SVTs. If you're new to the channel, show your boys some love. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click that post notification bell so the next time I upload a video, you will be notified. And if any of you guys have any comments or any questions, feel free to drop them below. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. See you later.